In Channing, the Railroaders took on the Marquette Blues. Top three, Marquette leading 2-0. McKinley Larson jumps on a 2-1 fastball and takes it the other way deep and gone for a 2-run blast, and that doubled the Blues lead 4-0. Speaking of Larson, he was on the mound for the Blues, and in the third he would rack up not one and not two, but 3 strikeouts in the inning, and that kept the Channing bats at bay early on. Marquette had the bases loaded in the top of the fourth, but Noah Berg came into the ballgame for the Railroaders and struck out Riley Lynch swinging to get his team out of a bases-loaded jam, and that proved to be huge for Channing. To the fifth, where the Railroaders' offense would get on the scoreboard, courtesy of Ken Pekarek, as he hits a ground ball up the middle that goes off the glove of Ryan Hansen. 1 run in, but Brian Harper trying to score from third, and he would just beat the throw home to give Pekarek 2 RBIs on the play, but the Blues would win the game 5-2. McKinley Larson threw a no-hitter tonight for Marquette.